If you use Evernote every day, tabs can completely change the way you work. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use tabs in Evernote so you can open more notes, move faster between projects, and keep your workspace much more organized. Whether you're researching, planning content, or managing work notes, tabs make Evernote feel a lot more efficient. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's talk about how to open new tabs in Evernote. On Windows, you can use the keyboard shortcut Alt-Shift-O to open a brand new tab quickly. That's the fastest way if you like using shortcuts and want to stay in the flow without reaching for your mouse. If you prefer clicking, you can also go to the top tab bar and press the plus button. This will instantly open another tab in the Evernote window. And there's one more option that's especially useful when you're working inside your notes list. You can right-click any note, notebook, or view in Evernote and choose Open in New Tab. This is a great way to keep your current page open while exploring something else at the same time. Once you start opening tabs, the next step is learning how to manage them properly. If you have an important tab that you want to keep front and center, you can pin it. To do that, right-click the Open tab and select Pin tab. This keeps it fixed at the front of your tab bar, which is helpful for notes you use all the time, like your daily planner, project dashboard, or reference notebook. Pinning tabs can save you a lot of time because you won't have to keep searching for your most important pages. You can also reorder your tabs to match the way you work. Just click and drag any tab left or right along the bar. This lets you organize your workspace in a way that makes sense to you. For example, you might keep your main project on the left, reference notes in the middle, and temporary research tabs on the right. A little organization here goes a long way, especially if you keep a lot of notes open during the day. When you need to move quickly between open notes, Evernote also gives you a simple shortcut for switching tabs. Press Ctrl and Tab to cycle through your open tabs in sequence. This is especially useful if you're comparing information across multiple notes or bouncing between a meeting note and a task list. Instead of clicking each tab one by one, you can move through them much faster with just the keyboard. And when you're done with a tab, you can close it to keep things tidy. On Mac, press CMD and W to close the current tab. You can also close a tab by using the close icon, or in some cases, middle clicking, depending on your setup. Closing unused tabs helps reduce clutter and makes it easier to stay focused on the notes you actually need. A really good workflow in Evernote is to use tabs for different stages of your work. For example, you could open one tab for collecting ideas, one for drafting your notes, and one for storing reference material. That way, you're not constantly jumping back and forth through your notebook tree. Instead, everything you need is available at the top of the app, ready to use. If you're someone who works with multiple notebooks, tabs can also make research and planning much smoother. You can open a notebook in one tab, a note in another, and a different view in a third. Then, use the drag and drop option to arrange them in the order you want. Combine that with pinning your most important tab, and Evernote becomes a much more powerful workspace. So to quickly recap, use Alt-Shift-O on Windows or the plus button to open new tabs. Right-click items to open them in a new tab. Pin important tabs to keep them fixed. Drag tabs to reorganize them. Use Ctrl and Tab to switch between them. And close tabs when you're done. Once you get comfortable with these basics, tabs in Evernote can seriously improve your productivity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.